Hello guys, today we are gonna see how to open Photopea web tool, which is an alternative to Photoshop on a browser on a Microsoft Windows 11 PC. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell to all, so you can get notification for every video we upload. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Step 1. Go to your browser. Here we will use Chrome. Step 2. Click on the search bar and type Photopea in the search bar. Step 3. Click on this official website of Photopea Web Tool. Here it is, a Photopea Web Tool. So, in upcoming videos we will see how to open it and use it. That's it. So, if you find these different solutions helpful, then please hit the like button and share this video with your friends who are not in the know. You can also suggest what topics we should make videos on in the comment section. Also, follow us on social media. The links are in the description and in the channel's About section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.